your selection in the selection process?
Well, I'll put it this way. At the core of my business are preparation and presentation, because that's what it's really all about. If you prepare to present a good presentation. One of the things that I've noticed is that candidates who don't prepare present poor presentations, which don't get them jobs. So at the core of what I'm doing, it's all about preparation, preparing for the job, right? And presenting the right package to get the job that you want, because that's what it's really all about. Resumes, I like to tell my candidates, consider your resume as your presentation. That's the presentation that you're presenting to an employer.
So basically we should look at it as, it's a performance.
Almost, it's almost like a performance. Absolutely.
Your resume is your script.
Right.
And,
absolutely.
you gotta know your script.
I wouldn't say, well, you can look at it as a script, but I wouldn't say completely it's a script, because it's not necessarily a script either. Because it's a script in that you should know all of the lines of it, but it's also a document by which it gets you in the door. It's kind of one of those, the document that gets your foot in the door. That particular presentation gets you in the door. Then that's the first part of your presentation. The second part is the actual presentation. This is the pre-presentation is your resume, which I like to tell candidates, you need to treat your resume as this is me on paper. Everything about me that you need to know from an employment standpoint. And when you're preparing your resume, prepare it from the standpoint of how it should make sense to somebody else. Or does what I'm saying on my resume make sense to somebody else? Because everything that makes sense to you doesn't make sense to somebody else. I like to have my candidates, especially my entry-level candidates who use objectives, I tell them to read their objectives out loud. Read it out loud and see, does it make sense? And see, does your objective line up with everything else that you have on your resume? I like to tell candidates, your objective should prepare the recruiter for what they're about to read. So, for example, I'm looking for a position where I'll be able to utilize my this When I look at your resume, those skills should jump out at me, right? And everything should be consistent and line up with what you're telling me that you're looking for a position in. And the other thing is that recruiters, and I still put myself in the recruiter, I'm still in the recruiter mindset. Recruiters do not spend that much time on resumes. That's another misconception. We look to make sure something jumps out. Whatever it is that jumps out. If it doesn't, we move